Hi, it's Charles at Empress Mills, and I'm delighted to be here with the brand new Dreams blender collection from Lewis and Irene. Lewis and Irene traditionally have the Bumbleberries range as their blender set, which they will still be continuing with, so please don't worry, I know that's a popular range. That will be continuing, but we are delighted that they've brought out an additional blender in this range, which is Dreams. There are 20 colours overall. They've gone for quite a vibrant palette to start with of Lewis and Irene with this range. So they all do tend to be slightly more vibrant, slightly more on the bright side of life, for want of a better way of putting it. But we do have some popular ones in there. There is a navy, there is a purple, and there is a black. There's also a nice silver grey, which I know is moving away from being dark, but I know that one's going to be very popular. In terms of the design itself, they have gone to town with making a nice classic blender for us to be using. It's got a cloudy style feel with some sort of dappled little dots as well, all in different shades, and the background itself has all sorts of light to dark shades included within it, and that obviously goes across all of the different colourways too. With that, what they've sort of gained is a depth to the fabric, which is brilliant for whether you're using it for a project, which we'll take a look at in a moment, a project which just uses these fabrics. It absolutely has the depth and the and enough design to give you that ability, or alternatively, of course, if you're using it as a blender fabric in with some other projects that you've either already got on the go or have planned. In terms of the different projects, Lewis and Irene have supplied two which are available for download from our website, and hopefully with the powers of technology, Nat will pop one of these online now. So there is this one which features a slightly lighter outline to it with all of the colours, so you're getting that very much a nice rainbow effect of the Dreams range. Or there is the second one, which is this one, and this has a black. I say black. It's because it's not a solid black. It's got the grey elements of the blender in there, but it's certainly a darker border. And to me, that one is fantastic because it just makes those bright, vibrant rainbow colours in the middle pop, which if you're creating a quilt on these sort of lines, it does tend to be what you're sort of looking for. I mentioned that there are 20 shades overall in the range. Each one of those 20 obviously features lots of different hues, and we have broken down the 20 shades into these 4 sets of 5, which are just there to give you an option if you do want to just pick out a nice little mini set. They are available for you, or alternatively, you can of course choose from any combination that you so wish on the website as well. We've added lots of images to the website of the different fat quarter packs, including the all fat quarter pack, so you can see all of the fabrics pictured in true fabric form. You can just click the link underneath the video to explore all of those images. And the quilts that I mentioned, again, if you follow the link, you will find all of the download info for those. The fabrics themselves, 100% cotton, 44 inches wide, which is 110 centimetres. Grade A quilting cloth, but perfect for so many projects. Quilting obviously, but right through to cushions, even dressmaking, anything along those sort of lines. It's just a good all-round cotton fabric. It's a lovely, lovely quality. It is Lewis and Irene's true standard quality as well, so it's not that they've chosen a lesser quality fabric to print their blender on, which does happen sometimes. I think I've covered everything there. If you've got any questions at all, please do get in touch. You can leave a comment, you can message us through the website, or of course, give us a call through the site as well. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.